Hi there, this is Azul Masood. I'm back today with multi-environment EC2 deployment with Terraform variables. So today's project is for multi-environment EC2 deployment. This is for new and experienced both guys who wants to make career with the Terraform. So this is for specifically for the DevOps guys. AWS DevOps, very much important this is. Project overview is like that. In this project you will learn how to manage variables in Terraform across different environments such as staging, testing and production. When coming the environments guys, in the interview 3 environments must be had: staging, testing and production. Maybe more environments, but at least keep in mind you have to explain 3 environment. So here you will create separate files for storing variables, variables.tf, use *tf files for environment specific configurations, and run the Terraform commands to provision and destroy an EC2 instance in AWS based on these configurations. So multi-environment with the Terraform variables has lots of works. So this is the very much basic thing for the Terraform variables. Let's see. And in the quest of prerequisites here, AWS account with necessary permissions, Terraform installed on your local machine, AWS CLI configured with proper access keys. If you watch my earlier videos, you can get a clear concept about this. Then project structure here, the project files will include main.tf, main Terraform configuration, variables.tf, variable definition, staging.tf. So tf, this is very much important. Variable specific to the staging environments. Production.tf, one for staging, another for production. Variables specific to the production environment. So we'll see these two guys today, must be. And steps and commands like this. Step 1, create main.tf. This file defines the AWS provider and the EC2 instance resource. Main.tf provider AWS region, and then variables dot AWS region var dot, that means variable. Then resource AWS instance, example like this, ami var dot variable dot ami underscore id. Then instance type, var dot instance type. See here, everywhere is the variable is used. It's interesting honestly. Even the region under the variable. Let's see. And tags, name Terraform EC2. This is also var. See here, var.environment. Which environment we don't know, it will be in the variables. Step 2, this is we made this is for main.tf, right? So first of all main.tf, then variables.tf. So main.tf has the everything has the variables. See here, region is facing from variables. Then AMI also, Amazon machine image, they are also facing from variables. Also EC2 type, they are also is coming from the variables. Even the tag name variables. So main is depending totally on the variables. So we should have the variables.tf, right? Define the variables and their types in this file. Some variables will have default values and some will be populated from .tf files. So here is variables.tf. This is actually, this is like Vim. That means I like the Vim editor vastly. Then variable AWS region. So description, AWS region to deploy resources. Type string. See default US East 1. So this is the default one. So in this variable, this var, just remember these two things. Okay, I'm doing like this. So I'm saying this var region var, it will be called here region var dot AWS region. It will be called there. It will get then US East 1. Then variable AMI ID description, Amazon machine image ID. For this is just the actually description, the string type is string, yes. Then variable instance type description EC2, type is string, default is t2.micro. So here this var, this three just alphabet here, this var of the type is t2 micro will be called in the main.tf, right? Then environment variable. So description, environment type staging or production, which one? Type is string, right? This is the type is string type. So this is for environment. Create environment specific variable files staging tf vars production .tf Terraform variables vars. Create files with specific values specific to each environment, such as the AMI underscore ID or instance underscore type. Then staging .tf vars environment staging AMI ID is like this. So this is actually in the comment, right? So for more specification, this should be like Vim. I like Vim editor. So under this one is coming everything inside here. Then here is instance type is t2 micro. Okay, so staging here is calling the t2 micro. So it should not be here. Then it's coming the production environment production .tf vars. Then environment production machine image ID is like this, replace with a production AMI ID. So it can be anything else, but you have to replace this one, which one you are using, like instance type t2 large. Normally in the production needs more vCPU, more memory, so it should be more bigger, you know. And step 4, run Terraform commands. Initialize is normal, right? Just Terraform init, then plan, then apply, right? So Terraform plan, then -var file staging.tf vars. So here use the staging.tf vars file to preview and apply the configuration. This is interesting. Always we do Terraform plan, but after the plan space -var file file equal. This is unique thing. Just remember this one. Var file equal. Then which one? Staging.tf vars or production.tf vars. It will show you the which plan it should be utilized. Apply for staging. Terraform apply var file staging.tf vars. So same thing is the like plan first, then apply. So which one? Var file which one? Staging.tf vars. Plan and apply configuration for production. So same way in the production Terraform plan var file. So var file equal. I remember like that. Okay. So first is plan, then applied. Var file equal apply. Okay. Then pass variables via command line. This is optional. You can override any variable via the command line if required. For example, Terraform apply var space, then dash var, then instance type t2 medium var environment dev. So here step 6 is destroy resources. When you are done, destroy the resources created by Terraform for cleanup. When this is done, just destroy. This is Terraform destroy. If you write, then everything will be destroyed. So it's just specific anything else you have to destroy, then var file, then under the string which one you are destroying. Because normally if you do the Terraform destroy, then whole thing will be destroyed. It will be biggest problem. So this is really very much important actually command. Sometimes I forgot, so I think you guys will not be forgot. Destroy, plan or apply, then space -var -file. So when file is coming like this, or if only the instance type, then only -var. See here, not file, then the type, right? -var. Guys, this is also interview question. So in my every video I am sharing when the interview question is coming, just I am sharing you guys, okay, nothing I am keeping in my mind for myself. Then Terraform destroy, yeah, same way for the, this is for staging, this is for production. So .tf bears, when coming the question like, have you ever applied that .tf bears, you have to say yes, I have applied for the staging and production environment for .tf bears. How? This way, in the place of destroy, it should be like plan apply. I have to see the plan first, then apply. How? Hyphen var file equal production dot tf bears, like that. Think easy, not too much complicated. Make your brain, okay, think easy, small thing. If you keep in the brain, like in the shelf, that's much enough. Summary of the command is here. Yes, initialize init plan staging apply plan production. This is the command I have given it like this, if you like. Then command line override, this is the override. Apply like this is the overriding, okay. I'm making the red color. Apply, this is the overriding type, okay. Then destroy, this is like this. Destroy production, this is like this. This project demonstrate the use of Terraform, variables.tf for defining variables .tf bears files for environment specific configuration and command line variables override for dynamic control. It's a complete end-to-end deployment setup, flexible enough for real world multi-environment management with Terraform. If you select that, the interview, I have managed multi-environment management with Terraform. Multi-environment means staging, production, also testing. So I have shown here that staging and production vastly, but testing also you can do like that if your tester wants to do that. So guys, here this is the, when coming the variables, just keep in mind that specifically tf bears, staging.tf bears, or you can keep in mind like production.tf bears, either way. So I'll suggest that don't think too much in the DevOps, because DevOps is really huge thing, lots of things. So if you want to win the war, you have to win first battles means small places you have to win. So small places means Terraform also vast thing. So today I have shown you the variables. Just keep in variables, when variables coming, that means multi environment variables I have managed. Which one? Staging.tf bears, production.tf bears, or testing.tf bears I have managed. And just in the main.tf I have used the everything in the var.region, var.ami, var.instance type, okay, tags also var. Like this environment, which environment name is coming. So everything is coming them var like that. Then I have edited the variables.tf, and inside the variables.tf I have given those kinds of parameter in the default like this way, and here is t2 micro default. So I have used the default like this way to pass the variables parameters. So think easy guys, okay, not too much, just keep in mind that staging.tf bears, production.tf bears, basically the DevOps has to do staging and production too much. So staging.tf bears, production.tf bears, and Terraform, when I'm doing a specific one thing, just planning or applying, then var-file, which file I want to do, var-file, then staging.tf bears or production.tf bears, either way plan or apply. And if I want to which one overwrite, then it's coming like this way, only var, not file, only var is coming, then var equal var file equal or var equal, like this coming, right? But for the overriding, just var equal, which instance type should be here, t2 medium. And just keep in mind that main.tf is fetching everything from the variables.tf. So don't memorize. Terraform mostly in the actually concept. Main.tf, without main.tf you cannot do anything else in the Terraform, right? So main.tf facing every parameters from variables.tf for region, EC2 type, or tagging, everything. Okay, thank you guys. I think it will be helpful for you guys. If you have any question, please ask me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.